Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How have you been? I've been okay. So a few days ago I made myself a circle dress, and in this video I'm going to share with you guys how I did that. So without wasting any time, let's get straight into the DIY. So this is my fabric. It was 2 yards and about 1 meter wide. Then I just basically removed it from the package, and then so it was folded enough, and I did not unfold it. At this point it was folded in half, and then I just folded it into a triangle like that. Then I pinned that bottom, as you can see there, to keep it from moving when I start cutting. So the first measurement that I take is of the shoulders, and then I divide this by 4, and then I just lay the tape measure onto the fabric, and then I just drew a straight line across. And then the second measurement was of that shoulder, which I divided by 2. And make sure that when you put the tape measure, you're putting it on the side which is folded. Then I just marked that. Then I marked about 3 inches down from that line, and then I just marked it. So I have 2 points right there. Then I took my curved ruler. Fortunately, you may not be able to see it because the ruler is clear and the fabric is very busy. Then I just drew a curved line there. That is going to be my armhole. So that is the line that I have. Then I took my pinking shears, and then I just cut that out. Then I went to the bottom. So I just marked the length which I could get like the most out of the fabric. Then I just took my tape measure and I'll place it on top, right at the top of the fabric, and mark straight to the bottom. Then I drew a line, and then I cut. So if you want your dress to be long, I think you have to start with a fabric that already has a long width.